Hello, I'm Precious Lunan, and today I'm gonna show you how to play the song I Need You Here by Taylor Sings. And we're just gonna be using 4 chords all throughout the song, which is we just have to repeat it over and over. So the first chord will be D flat, A flat, B flat minor, and then G flat. So I'm not an expert on how to place your finger, and it depends on which one would be comfortable for you, but for me this is how it is, and I'm not really good in singing, so please bear with me, and also playing piano. So for the first and pre-chorus, you just need to press the keys once, and kind of goes like this. You are the one for me. You're the only boy I see. You are the one I want. You are more than enough. And just repeat it over the first verse and until the pre-chorus. So when we get to the chorus part, you just need to go back to the first chord, but this time we're gonna press it twice, like this. And I need you here right now. I'm breaking down without your touch. I need you here right now. I'm breaking down without your love. So that's it. So I'm gonna play it again from the beginning until the end.